He targeted 13 times, but has 6 catches. Being guarded by Jackson. Ben looked a couple of times in that direction. Dumped it off to Bell, who got a big block from Smith-Schuster. Flattened Burfict, and here come flags from all over the place.
Juju. Smith-Schuster. Going to get called here, I believe.
There are 3 flags.
And that's Burfict. Watch the hit on Burfict. It's a peel back block, and that's going to be a fine, and that's going to be.
And then to make matters worse, he stands over the guy. Smith-Schuster has become a very popular Steeler, very likable guy. A lot of stories about his upbringing.
That's ridiculous. You know, you spend a lot of time on education on what's legal and what isn't.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness, number 19, offense. That penalty is declined. Taunting, number 19, offense. That penalty is accepted. That is number 19's first unsportsmanlike foul of the game. Be 15-yard penalty. It's second down.
I don't know what you need to do to get ejected from a football game. Penalty like that, and then a taunting penalty on top of it. That's bad football, bad for the game.